Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your own massage balls. All you will need is a sock and tennis balls. These are Wilson tennis balls. Be careful, once you open it, there will be a kickback. If it doesn't open all the way, use a screwdriver to peel the metal cap back. Be careful not to cut yourself. Remove one ball at a time. Grab your sock. Place the ball all the way at the bottom of the sock. Once the ball is fully encapsulated by the sock, tie your first knot. Make sure the knot is nice and tight. You do not want any loose ends. Grab your second tennis ball and repeat. Push the tennis ball on top of your first knot. Squeeze and tie your second knot. Again, make sure the knot is nice and tight. Now, place your last tennis ball into the sock on top of the second knot. Squeeze and tie your third knot. Once you have all tennis balls inside and all 3 knots tied, you now have your massage balls. These massage balls are great for massaging your back and your neck. Now I will show you how to use them. Place your massage balls firmly on the floor. Place the balls wherever you feel tension in your back. Inhale and exhale, nice and slowly, into the balls. Breathe in. Once you exhale, again, fall deeper into the massage balls. Your pelvis will tilt as it flattens your back into the mat. This will take a while to perfect and get comfortable with. Now place the massage balls on your hips, tailbone, right above your buttocks. Lift one knee at a time. Grab your knees. Inhale, exhale, and pull the knees into your chest. Do not hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale, pull the knees into your chest. And exhale it out. And repeat as often as you need. Lastly, place the massage balls on your shoulder blades. Find a comfortable location. Relax your neck. Inhale and exhale deep into the ball. Lift your shoulders one at a time, up and down. You can also roll your shoulders forward, or you can roll them backwards. And there you have it.